5 most famous traditional Ethiopian drinks, a taste of authenticity. When it comes to experiencing the vibrant culture of Ethiopia, you cannot miss out on trying our traditional drinks. Ethiopian beverages are known for their bold flavors, unique ingredients, and centuries-old recipes. 1. Tella, the traditional beer. Tella is another traditional Ethiopian beverage that holds cultural significance in the country. It is a type of beer that has been brewed in Ethiopia for centuries. Tella is typically made from fermented grains, most commonly barley, although other grains like wheat or teff can also be used. The brewing process involves soaking the grains, malting them, and then fermenting them with water. 2. Board, the millet beer. Board, also known as Ethiopian millet beer, is a popular staple beverage in Ethiopia's southern and western regions. It has a bushy texture, a color range of whitish-gray to brown, and a sweet-sour flavor. Board, brewed from fermented cereals such as maize, barley, wheat, finger millet, sorghum, and teff, and flavored with spices, has a distinct flavor that combines sweetness with a hint of bitterness. It is a low-alcoholic versatile drink that can be enjoyed on its own or paired with traditional Ethiopian dishes. 3. Shemita, the homemade barley drink. Shemita is another traditional Ethiopian beverage with a low alcohol level, created by overnight fermentation of mostly roasted barley flour and drunk as a meal substitute. Shemita is a popular beverage across Ethiopia. It has a thick consistency, and most individuals who cannot afford a proper meal use it as a meal replacement. For Aroki, the traditional spirit. Aroki, also referred to as katikala, is an extremely strong, sharp, and colorless traditional Ethiopian beverage made from fermented grains, typically barley or millet. This strong alcoholic beverage offers a bold and robust flavor. Aroki is typically consumed during celebrations and special occasions, adding a touch of authenticity to any festivity. 5. Bers, alcohol-free wine. Bers is a traditional Ethiopian beverage made by mixing water and fermented honey. It's a very less in alcohol, almost none, delicious, refreshing beverage with many health benefits. Join our community of health-conscious food lovers, subscribe for delicious and nutritious recipes, or don't miss out on a world of tasty, guilt-free meals. Hit that subscribe button now.